Find the probability the early finish of activity C is greater than 5. In this problem, we are provided a network diagram consisting of 3 separate activities. Calculus must be completed before differential equations can begin, and differential equations must be completed before statics can begin. To complete calculus, it will take either 2 or 3 units of time, based on the probabilities shown in the first plot. Similarly, to complete differential equations, it will take either 1 or 2 units of time based on the probabilities shown in the second plot. The problem asks to find the probability activity C will finish after time period 5. To begin, we realize there are a total of 4 combinations of durations between all activities, because there are 2 possible durations for calculus, activity A, and 2 possible durations for differential equations, activity B. Therefore, we can develop a plot which shows the discrete probability distribution for the early finish of activity C, and our solution will be the sum of all probabilities with an early finish greater than 5. To begin, we'll set up a table showing the 4 different combinations of durations, where the first combination will be dA equal to 2, dB equal to 1. For this first combination, the early finish of activity C equals the early start of activity A plus the duration of all 3 activities. After plugging in the appropriate variables, the early finish for this first combination equals 5. Next, we'll reorganize our work and add an additional column to our table to account for the probability that that particular combination of durations will occur, which can be computed by multiplying the probability each individual duration will occur. So for this first combination, the probability of occurrence is 70% times 90%, which equals 63% chance of occurrence. Our second combination is dA equal to 3, dB equal to 1. The early finish of activity C for this combination equals 1 plus 3 plus 1 plus 1, which equals 6. And the probability that this combination of durations will occur equals 30% times 90%, which is 27%. The third combination is duration A equals 2, duration B equals 2. As before, the early finish of activity C equals 6, but this time the probability equals 7%. The last combination is when the duration of activity A equals 3 and the duration of activity B equals 2. For this combination,